Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Daily Cigar. I am Lisardo Vivas and today I will be unboxing these Toro cigars from the cigar culture. These cigars come in a bit of an unusual packaging to what I'm used to see normally. They have been nicely wrapped in this thick paper as a pack of 10, 2 rows of 5 Toro cigars. They use a bóveda humidification system to keep the cigars at the correct humidity, but I am very intrigued on how protected these cigars are in this packaging. Around the back we have some information about how the cigar came about. It tells us that this cigar was imagined and created to be enjoyed by family members and friends around the world. It also has a dedication to the family of the cigar culture owner for their sacrifices and leaving a good inheritance and respect for tobacco. There is also a very detailed explanation of the blend, which is some great tobacco, but this is something that you never see in such detail. Around the side we have the name of the factory and the persons involved in this blend, like Victor Infante, Eladio Díaz, Santo Rodriguez and Cesar Alvarez. On this last side we have a very nice quote of appreciation. I have to say I am very much in love with this branding, great use of color and a unique presentation. Now let me put this down and let's get to the unboxing. I will use my tiny knife to make some delicate incisions. I decided to open it from the top. The cigar wrapping is held with some clear tape. Very easy to cut with a knife, but be careful as the cigars are right there, so take your time. They are nicely wrapped, the paper is very thick and I have now removed all the cigars and they are all fine. Cigar Culture is using a 10 gram 69% bóveda humidity pack, which is found at the back of the cigars. Easy to see when we start removing the cigars. You can then check this in your humidor as it is a normal bóveda bag. It comes wrapped as a bundle in plastic and then individually wrapped in cellophane as most cigars are and as we can see here. First impressions and the cigar looks perfect. Beautiful wrapped and that band is so unique. A great use of color, modern, bright, yet elegant. Let's get this baby out and let's see what we have. And wow! It is gorgeous. Well, that calls for a sip of this Diplomatico rum. Let's get back to the cigar. So it is a 6x50 Toro that uses an Ecuadorian Habano 2000 wrapper over a Dominican Olor binder from the 2014 crop in Villa González. In this cigar, there are 5 fillers that are very detailed in its packaging. They have Dominican Criollo 98, Dominican Piloto Cubano, Dominican San Vicente, Dominican San Vicente Mejorado, and Nicaraguan Criollo 98. Cigar Culture Blend number 3 is made at Tabaquería El Puente in the Dominican Republic, and from all the reviews that I've seen, this factory creates some great cigars, and this blend number 3 is no exception. A great construction, beautiful finish, and top materials. It has a very pleasant aroma and feel. I have now smoked the cigar, and although I'm going to do a full review, I can tell you now that the cigar is very special and very different. It is a light to medium body cigar with citrus and floral notes. Perfect as a morning cigar or any time really. It also has a nice aroma to the smoke, very pleasant if you have to smoke indoors or when you're smoking close to somebody else. I have also been very fortunate to get some time with Adriana Costa, Cigar Culture creator and owner. And we have done an interview where Adrian goes into details on how the brand came about his life in the cigar world, what it's like having a father that has always worked with tobacco. Adrian also shares some great advice that he has received in life and in the cigar industry, how he created the brand and a cigar in the middle of a pandemic, and some of the new projects coming up. So subscribe to make sure you don't miss it as the video is being edited as we record this. Adrian's story is very inspirational, and now that I've smoked a few of this Cigar Culture number 3, I can't wait to try whatever he's bringing next. This cigar blend number 3 is a limited edition, but it will be re-released in about 4.5 years again. So if you missed this release, then be patient as it is the tobacco that's being aged for the next release. In the meantime, thank you for your time, and remember, cigar smoking is not a hobby, it's a life pleasure, so enjoy it.